Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open apps in floating mode on your Poco phone. To do it, open an app. Let's open maybe Google Chrome. And just set it up quickly. And now to open it in floating mode, go to the recent. So if you have the bar at the bottom, slide up and hold. If you have three buttons here, click on the square button. Then you'll see this view. Press and hold on the app that you want to put in floating mode. Then click on this icon, which is the floating mode. And now you can move the app around. You can resize it by dragging the corner. This is the small view. This is the standard one. So you can resize it. You can also do something like that to close the app. Then I can reopen it or reopen it in floating mode again. And this is basically it, and the app will be working normally. So you can like search for anything. And you can see it works. And to close the app, you can click on the three dots, then you can put it in full screen, split screen top, split screen bottom, floating or close. So I'm gonna, for example, put it in split screen, then I'm gonna open another app like settings, and now I'm in the split screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.